Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm just got a new snack for Mojo, and I'm gonna try on Mojo. This brand is PCI Sangta. I never tried before. This is the tuna flavor. Okay, and then we're gonna try on Mojo. The excited cat. See whether she will like it or not. Okay, are you excited, Mojo? Are you excited? Okay. So guys, this is basically all in the small pack. It's 16 gram inside, and we already translated for you here what is inside. Okay, so you guys will know how much you should give to your cat every day. Okay, wait, be patient. Okay, so there's a crude protein of 8%. There's a crude fat of 1%, crude fiber of 2%, crude ash 1%. Taurine 0.1% and water 80%. Okay, so let's try this on Mojo. Okay, Mojo, are you ready? Are you ready? Sit first. Come on, Mojo, sit down. Sit. Okay, alright. You wanna smell first? Yeah, let you smell it. Come on, Mojo, wanna smell it? Come here. Sit down, Mojo. Sit down. Sit. And smack you. Spin. Oh, sit. See, every time I have this kind of snack, she will listen to me. But if I don't have any snack, she'll just run away. Oh, the cat is like this, you know? What about your cat, guys? Is it the same? Or they're like gonna listen to you? How do you like it, Mojo? So basically, guys, inside here is very compact and so many meat inside. It's 16 gram. That's the reason. It's a little bit more costly than the other brand, but it is very worth it because the cat like it a lot, and inside there's a lot of meat. So you just need to give one pack and the cat will be so satisfied. Okay, all the other pack that I ever seen is around 15 gram, and it's cost cheaper, but yeah, it's still smaller. So this is okay, I guess. Mojo, do you like it? Do you like it? Give me a hand. Shake hand. Mojo, shake hand. Come on. Shake hand. Boy, look at the camera. Shake hand. Alright. Spin. Mojo, spin. Spin. Sit down. Sit. Alright. Smart girl. Okay, Mojo is so smart. So basically, after looking at Mojo like this, yeah, I'm pretty sure Mojo like it a lot because she's listening to me. Normally she doesn't listen at all. Mojo, last few bite. Come on, lay my hand up. Okay, so last few bite for you. Your hand don't need to go up. Hold. Okay. Oh. Alright. Alright, it's finished. One is enough for you. Okay, so guys, we just finished one. I don't know, this is the fish flavor of tuna, and Mojo like it a lot. I don't know whether he would like the rest of the flavor because there's a salmon, there's a chicken, there's a lamb and everything. So we're gonna find what is the meaning of the flavor because it's all in Chinese, and then we're gonna tell you guys what is the flavor, and we're gonna try again on Mojo and some other cats. Okay guys, so we're gonna see you soon again. Bye bye.